How to stretch text in MS Word. So if you want to stretch text in MS Word, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Word. Make sure to open a new document. Go with a blank document. After that, go with Insert, which is on the top left. And then here on the right side, you will have WordArt. You need to go with WordArt and select a WordArt from the text group. Choose a style as per your preference. Now type in your text. Now go with the shape format, which is on the top. After that, click on the text effects, which is here. And then you need to just go with the transform section. And from the transform, you can just go and select wrap. After that, you can stretch the text horizontally or vertically as desired. After that, you need to go with the home tab and then go with the small launcher icon, which is here on the bottom right. Now go with the advanced section, which is on the right side, and make sure the scale is more than 100. For example, I'm entering 150%, which will make the text 1.5 times wider than its original size. Conversely, entering a percentage less than 100% will compress the text. By following these steps, you can effectively stretch and manipulate text in the latest Microsoft Word to achieve your desired formatting and design outcomes. So go with OK, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.